Hi guys, and today we will be playing Escape. I forgot what it says. So yeah, how do I get out? How do I get out? How? How do I get out? I can't get out. Like how? Do I have to? I have to do that. Live. I'm so dumb. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! Please, 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 open up. I'm kind of like FBI, open up, but really open up. I want you to open up. Oh my goodness, I need help. Oh my goodness, please, just open up. It's not even working. Help me. How do you get out? Is there like some secret passage? No, there's just a lever. Please let me out. 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 Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, or else I have to stay in here forever. Aren't you gonna work or something? Let me out. Let me out. So basically, guys, this is not working. So what we're gonna do here is just try doing it this way. Looking everywhere so that... Oh my goodness, it's not opening. By the way, what is this green stuff? What? Do I know what I think it is? No. Oh, bad. This is not that comfortable. By the fact that it's on wood, which I don't like. I like a comfy mattress. Hurry up, let me out, 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 let me out. Oh, oh my goodness. Hurry, hurry, I need to get out. Need to get out. Can I get out from here? No. Water under the... No. How do you get out? How do you get out? No way from the top. Only from this door. Let me out. It's not working. What if I die? And then after that? No. Yeah, no. Oh, please, please open that. Please open that. Please open that. Please. Please. Open it! What are you? What in the world are you? Where in the world did you go? Oi! Alright, can you show me the... Can you show me the way? Show me the way out. Show me the way out. Show me. Ah, son of a... Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. Oh no.
Do not go in the lava.
Okay. Oh guys, finally we got out. So yeah, finally. She is so nice. Oh, I don't know where she went, but yeah. Alright, so we're just going over here. Going up here. Oh, this one's this doesn't look that hard, but yeah. No! What the? I'm still standing, never than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor. Oh, I just died.
Hey, get out of my way.
So we gotta focus this time. Make sure to not. Oh, I just fell down. Yeah, I died in the spotlight. Look at that spotlight. Yeah. We all know that. We all know that best time to see. I don't know how to sing it properly, but yeah. So I'm looking forward. We just made it, yes. Oh, yep. I know this bit. Oh, shh! That almost caught me. Yeah. Yep, I died. Everyone. I died. Everybody's happy now. Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm not happy. No, it crushed me like a freaking potato. Yeah, that's not me, by the way. That's my sister. So, yeah. I'm another bit. Woo! I made it. I actually made it. Oh, now I have to come out upon these. Yep. So boring. How long does this? Oh. So we gotta go in here. Shoot, we need a key to open this door. Maybe one of these chests have one. Of course they do. But I don't know. Ah!
See?
What the
Is this fired?
Yeah, no.
Fired.
No!
That one's not fired too.
Oh, please show me the way how to get Show me. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. What about this one? Open it. Key, I got a key. Key. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the video like this. So, bear traps. No, this is not for us. Yeah, not for us. It's for bears. Yeah, you know bears. They always be coming. Even in your house. They come in your house.
That's
Oh, where are we going now? Where are we going?
Down the
Oh,
bottom.
we're going down the bottom. No! Why are you always fall out? No! Why do I keep a dodge? Oh, you better move out the way. I'm making a video. No! Oh, yeah, like you know the way out.
Mini shush.
Weep. No!
you comfortable?
Yeah.
My stupid.
No.
My bed.
Mama. Mama. Fall down. We see this. Finally, we made it. Get off of me! Get off of me! Alright, watch out here. I hear traps in the distance. Yeah, I don't care. Oh, shoo! Me. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, we made it.
Look up.
Alright, so we're just going here.
There's lava.
Yeah, I know. Oh, how are we supposed to get it? Oh, I did not know that. But yeah. So, what you want to do today? Oh, I almost fall down there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shoot. Wait! Oh, we made it. Oh, do we go in there? What are we doing? Oh, nothing. Looks like we made it. Some strange temple uses the speed run. Okay, alright. Oh no, why am I so slow then? Wee! Meow! 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 Brr, brr. Ooh, yeah, I don't care about your speech. Yeah, I don't care. Wee!
You died.
I just. Ah, my head!